Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download your Pokemon Go application on iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Pokemon Go application on iPhone, firstly go ahead and launch open your App Store. On the search box at the top, type in Pokemon Go and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Now all you need to do is simply tap on Get button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Pokemon Go application on your iPhone quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.